If you want to go into learning website design, this video is for you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to insert images on our website. If you like this kind of content, do well by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification button to know when I'm posting my new videos. Let's jump into learning how to insert images on our website. First of all, before inserting images in your website, you have to create an image folder in that particular folder you are using for your website design. Let's go and create our image folder. Inside our folder that we are using to create our website, we are going to create a folder which we are going to name image folder. You can give your own any name you want to give it to. I named my image. So when you have created a folder which you name an image folder, go into your system or your laptop which you are using for that project. Go and copy an image in your system. Copy any form of image you want to put in your website. Copy any form of image. I'm going to copy mine right now. I copied mine. So go to that particular image folder which you have created and paste that image you copied. I've pasted mine. You can rename it. So any image that you're going to be putting in your website, you're going to be putting that particular image inside this folder. So when you go to your folder which you are using to create your website, if you go to your Visual Studio Code to call that particular image you want to put inside your website, you can easily call it. So I've pasted I didn't change my own image name. You can still change it so that you can be able to recognize the images you want to put on your website. Since we are doing an example test, so let's put an image in our website right now. For you to put an image in your website, you have what we call an image tag. An image tag is used in putting images in your website. How does an image tag look like? You call an image tag by calling img. Img is an image tag which is used to insert images in our website. Once you have called the img, Visual Studio Code will help you to complete it. Just tap enter. The enter will complete the remaining source code to you. So since you have created the image tag, the src, which is the source code is for you to find the file directly where you have inserted that your image folder. So in my image folder, I called it images. Yes, I called image. That's the name of the folder I gave it image. I called my image. So I called my image. And also make sure your file directly are being directed well. If it is not being directed well, I bet you that it won't display on your website. So I called my image. This is the folder I put my image. This is the folder that my image is inside. So I have called the folder and called the image. The alt is the alternative image. It means that if this image does not display, let this particular thing you have written here display. That's the meaning of the alt. Is an alternative. It says if this image does not display, if you didn't direct it well, let this particular show thing display. That's the meaning of that alt. So since you have put your image and directed it well, bet me it's going to be displayed on your website. Let's save it and run it and see if it is being displayed on our website. Have you seen the image automatically comes out? Because why? I directed it very well. This is how to insert images in your website. Do well to join us in our next class because we're going to learn other ways to insert both video, audios on our website. Make sure you turn on the notification button to know when we are posting our new videos. Thank you and join us in our next class.